Hey, what's up YouTube? Shane here from Rain Screen Printing. I've been wanting to make this video from the last video that I made where I started turning the back room as some additional back office area in my house into my screen printing shop. So I've been ordering my product, my equipment little by little. As we all know, it takes time to do it, right? It's expensive. We have to make sure we get the right equipment, do our research, and that way we can provide a good product to our customers. I received my Hopkins 250 screen printing press cart, 6 cart press. So I'm excited to put that together for you guys today. Without further ado. Just open the box right now, so I'm going to show you guys what's inside the box. Right, it's wrapped really well, but I mean, still, I'm a pretty meticulous type of person, and I like it to be perfect, right? So that little corner, I get it. No big deal. We could flip it around, put it on the side where I'm not going to be using it so I don't see it. Besides that, everything else is pretty much wrapped pretty well. Hey guys, so this is everything that came in the press cart. It'll be the Hopkins 250. Has the 6 shelves for the screens. So this is everything that came in the box. Everything came in wrapped very well. Just one little nick on the corner. I mean, we could put a little bit of white paint there. So I'm gonna put it together right now, and then I'll get back with you here shortly. See, I don't know if that's the best way to do it, but I think that might be kind of good. I'll be able to put the screws in. I'll be able to put the screws in there, and I'm gonna go look for my tools real quick. Be back. Again, guys, thank you for watching. That was complete putting together the Riley Hopkins 250 screen printing press table. Peace till next time.